Today, we are focusing on Ontario's Personal Health Information Protection Act, or what we lovingly like to call PHIPA. PHIPA was designed to strike a careful balance between enabling the effective delivery of healthcare and safeguarding the privacy of individuals' personal health information. At its best, PHIPA is not a barrier to care. It is an enabler of trust. And patient trust, as you know, is foundational to good health outcomes. So whether you provide healthcare directly to individuals or you're involved in supporting healthcare delivery at the system level, you are entrusted with deeply personal information that goes to the very heart of people's dignity, autonomy, and trust.
So today we're at the From Insights to Impacts PHIPA workshop at the Mars Discovery District, physical and virtual.
We're going to be talking about specifically how young people are feeling about healthcare technologies, how to keep them in the loop. Generally, we assume that our generation is super tech savvy, but that may not always be the case. We just kind of grew up with it and we're pretty responsive, but also we're kind of the generation of oversharing. So what that may look like, how do we keep them informed and safe?
I think events like this are really important to our office. It gives us an ability to connect with people who are regulated by our legislation and otherwise affected by it. We've had more than 4,000 participants across our 3 seminars, both virtually and in person. So it really goes to show how interested people are to hear from the IPC, and it really gives us an opportunity to hear from them as well, to hear about the concerns and issues that they face.
I don't think everyone realizes what we do across tribunal, communications, policy, legal, and today we have staff from all of those departments, and I'm satisfied to see how we cover sometimes the same topics from different vantage points.
And so we're thinking about a statute that was drafted over 2 decades ago now, and since then the hospital system and the healthcare system has evolved significantly.
We can't expect small businesses, health information custodians to be carrying out these very complex tasks.
It's important to recognize that trust is something that still needs to be earned. It can't be assumed.
Every young person wants something different.
It's not enough just to have policies in place. People need to see it, they need to hear it, they need to know it. So that's a challenge, and it's, hashtag working on it.
I think it's incredibly important for us at the IPC as a regulator to keep our finger on the pulse of what are the concerns, questions, and issues you deal with. And so all of the questions you've asked are opportunities for us to reflect on the kinds of challenges you face and maybe perhaps even future guidance that may be necessary in certain areas. So I want to thank you for that.